We're here at Collegetown Center on the 6th floor. We're at the far west end of the hallway. The laundry is at the other end, the east end of the hallway. We're going to go inside and look at apartment number 611. So we're on the top floor of the building. Let's go on in. You can see the kitchen will be the same that we've seen in the other studio apartments here in Collegetown Center. So you have your same features, the refrigerator, dishwasher, sink, microwave, stove, oven, some cabinets and drawers. The differences in this apartment will be the placement of the bathroom and closet doors, which in this unit are directly across from each other. Let's see the bathroom, which is over here on the left. So it's the same bathroom things that we've seen in the other apartments, your full tub shower, the vanity, your toilet, and a medicine cabinet. And the difference will be that the closet door is located directly across. There's take a peek in there. And then we'll go into the main part of the apartment. Another different feature of how the apartment is situated in this one is this retaining post that goes through the buildings. This is unique to the number 11 style apartments. That does impact where you'll be able to place some of your furniture, so that's specific to the number 11s. The items in the apartment were always the same: the full-size bed, a desk and chair, a dresser, and a bookshelf. And they have one more feature here in this apartment that I want to point out to you, which is going to be the view. We're on the north side, or Dryden Road side of the building, so we're always able to see Dryden Road and have that people watching view down below us. But we also are going to have a lake view. Let's take a look. I'll get it zoomed in for you. So that's over to our northwest, and that's Ithaca Lake over there. You can see we're in the middle of the summer, so we've got a lot of trees around. This is especially beautiful in the fall with the leaves, and in the winter you can see the lake really well. So that's unique to these number 11 style apartments. You get a bit of lake view from the number 12s as well. But on the north side of the street in Collegetown Center, this number 11 style apartment is a unique apartment with that lake view, the placement of the kitchen or the bathroom and closet doors, and that retaining post that we can see over there in the corner. So we're in Collegetown Center, unit number 611. We have this style of apartment on floors 2 through 6, and we're located at 151 Dryden Road, just one block from campus.